Okay, so I'm starting this off with our blueberries, which I've already put in there. And then one thing I love, if anybody knows me, is gonna be my Torani syrup. So this is vanilla. Now, when I'm doing this, this is probably gonna yield about two good sized cups, depending on what you're doing. If you have smaller cups, then you can probably get 6 or possibly 8. But I like to do at least 6 squirts. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm gonna throw in one more because the first one kind of didn't, go as planned. Boom. So technically 7, right? 7 squirts of our Torani. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Simply Limeade, but this is the Limeade. When I'm telling you this blueberry limeade vanilla, oh, it's about to be something. Hold up, pour her in there. Boop. Okay. And then what do? Put the top on and blend. Not if you don't plug it in. You can't blend shit like that. Hello, y'all. This is what happens. Okay, let's blend. Okay, so what this is going to do is it's going to give us some antioxidants. But if you want to get a little extra healthy with it, what you can do is you can add in some benefiber. Hold on. So one thing I like is I like to do benefiber. These are the on-the-go packs. If you feel like you need a little bit more fiber, a little something else in your life, a little extra healthy, little boop boop, then throw one of these in there, right? But let's make it up a little more. And the key to any of these that I'm making that are smoothie-like is you need a lot of ice, because the ice gives it that good consistency. It makes sure that it's not watery, and it makes it a really refreshing beverage. So let's go ahead and put her in a cup. And voila, magic, she is done. So this is our blueberry vanilla limeade. Woo, honey, let me tell you something. Take this. Ooh, it like hits you in a little jowls part, but then you feel all the freshness, you feel healthy. So I would definitely suggest this. Now, if you like alcohol, you could probably throw in some vodka, or something light if you wanted to just spritz this up a little bit. If you do want more of a spritzy kind of thing, throw ahead some Sprite or like some Sierra Mist or something like that. But by itself, it's perfect, okay? So make sure that you always tune in and that you're ready to give it to the people, because Chisa eats and Chisa has style, and these drinks are always amazing.